Hi friends, welcome back once again. Today let us start the part 3 of ideas of development. Public facilities. First, let us try to understand the definition of public facilities. Public facilities are the basic facilities needed to people in the society. These are provided by the government. Let us see the examples of public facilities. The examples of public facilities are public transport, public education means schools, and electricity, also public health care system, etc. Okay friends, let us see the role of public facilities in the development. Public facilities are those facilities which are not possible for any individual to access at economic cost, so government provides such facilities to the public to ensure quality of life and for development of the country. Under public facilities, basic education. Government provides schools and allied educational facilities like playground, furnitures of the school, etc., which are enjoyed by all. In this way, it will cause the development of the students. Under basic health facilities, government provides hospitals, vaccination programs to maintain basic quality of health. This helps in the good environment to the citizens. Under law and order facility, government provides police outposts, police stations for maintaining security of the public, and it also protects the interest of its citizens by the state laws. So, the development of one will not be the against the development of others. Under public distribution system or PDS, government opens PDS shops or ration shops through which basic food items like rice, wheat, pulses, etc. are distributed at subsidized rate to the lower income group or poor people. Functioning of these facilities are dependent on the community awareness and public cooperation. In this way, the poor can buy the necessity items at a low cost, in which helps them to develop. Now let us see the Human Development Report. Human Development Report is published by United Nations Development Programme or UNDP to compare countries based on the educational attainment of the people, their health status, and also per capita income. Now let us see some data regarding India and its neighbors for 2017. When we observe the table, we can notice that India lies 138th place and Sri Lanka lies in 76th place in Human Development Index, and also Pakistan in 150th place, Myanmar in 140th place, Bangladesh in 136th place, and Nepal in 149th place. Okay friends, in this map we can see that most of the western countries are developed. So most of the African countries are low developed. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Next things are going to be said in part 4. Thank you.